How to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp, you can open the WhatsApp Messenger application here. Once you launch the WhatsApp Messenger app, you can just tap on the three dots option located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three dots option from the top right, over here you'll find one of the options that says settings. Now what happens is that if you have happened to block someone, right, and you happen to block someone, they appear in your block list, but you want to completely delete them from your block list without unblocking them. So if I open up privacy here, and then what I need to do is I need to go to block contacts. The problem is that if you happen to block someone over here, so let me select a random person in this case. So I'll just go ahead and search for a person here. And once I go ahead and select one of these persons, so let me go ahead and do that, I'll just add them to my block list. What happens is that after I add them to my block list, if I want to remove them here, you can see there is no option to delete them. I have to unblock them to remove it. Now unfortunately, you can't delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp without unblocking them, because what happens is that if you unblock them, they're going to get removed, but the problem is that they're also going to be unblocked. And WhatsApp cannot work on your sentiments, because if you want to unblock them in the future but you don't remember their number, then what will you do? Because WhatsApp cannot work on your sentiments, they have to follow the policy and guidelines. So hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.